On behalf of Boone County, Illinois, Growth Dimensions would like to thank you for joining us to learn about the Belvidere-Boone County Enterprise Zone. This presentation will give you an overview of the process of discovering if a property is located within the Enterprise Zone and an overview of the application process. The process to apply for the benefits available within the Enterprise Zone is pretty simple. First, we need to determine if a location is within the Belvidere-Boone County Enterprise Zone. Next, an application must be completed, signed, and submitted to Growth Dimensions Economic Development. Third, a building permit must be obtained. Finally, the building material exemption certificates are processed for Illinois sales tax exemption. The reporting process is covered in a separate video. Before filling out the application, you will want to determine if you are located within the Belvidere-Boone County Enterprise Zone. Simply go to the Growth Dimensions website, and under the navigation menu, you'll see a section called Site Selection. Under that section, click on Enterprise Zone. That will take you to the Enterprise Zone information page, and the map is located near the top. You can also use the URL shown on this page. We'll walk you through the process together. If you scroll down, you will see the map right here on the page. You can either use this map, or if you want to enlarge it, you can simply click here. Anything that you see in yellow is considered within the Enterprise Zone. You can simply put in an address. And it will find that location for you. And again, if it is in yellow, you do qualify for the benefits for the Enterprise Zone. Once you have determined that the property is located within the Belvidere-Boone County Enterprise Zone, you are now ready to fill out the application. The application can be found on the same webpage as the Enterprise Zone map, under a section labeled Getting Started. The application is a means of helping us identify the activities, costs, investments, and job creation associated with your project. This information is reported to the state of Illinois to track and maintain the benefits you receive as part of the Enterprise Zone. This information is also used at a local level to apply property tax abatements if eligible. The property owner is responsible for page 1. Each party, whether it be the property owner, contractor, or subcontractors, need to fill out and sign page 2 separately. This allows us to process a building materials exemption certificate for each party. We will walk you through the step-by-step process of the application in a separate video titled Enterprise Zone, Completing Application. Prior to Growth Dimensions processing the Enterprise Zone application, we will need to capture the date the permit was issued for the project. Once Growth Dimensions receives your Enterprise Zone application, we will connect with the building department where the permit will be issued to let them know that you are eligible for the half-cost permit. Once the business is issued their building permit, we can proceed to issue the building material exemption certificates. We have a quick reference on this slide to show where to go for your permits, depending on where your property is located. Each party involved in the project, meaning the property owner, contractor, and subcontractors, receive their own certificate. They cannot be used by any other entity than the one that is named on the certificate. Please note, the property owner will receive a copy of all contractor and subcontractor certificates for their records. When purchasing eligible materials within Illinois, you will be eligible for sales tax exemption. You must give a copy of the certificate to each vendor or business you purchase materials from. So be sure to have multiple copies ready. Retailers are not required by law to participate. The purchaser must ask the retailer for cooperation on this incentive. Retailers have, however, demonstrated good cooperation throughout the history of this program, as this incentive permits them to give customers a break without cost to themselves. You will notice on the certificate that there is an expiration date. If that date draws near and the project will be remaining open for a longer period of time, please contact Growth Dimensions at 815-547-4252 or by email at office@growthdimensions.org, and we can extend the date of the certificate. We process those at no additional cost and send you an updated copy. When the project is completed, there will be additional reporting, which is covered in a separate video. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Belvidere-Boone County Enterprise Zone process. Should you have any additional questions, we invite you to visit the Growth Dimensions website at growthdimensions.org. You can also reach out to us at 815-547-4252 or by email at office@growthdimensions.org.